What if I told you there's a way to get rich without working more hours, starting a business, or even leaving your house? No clickbait, just math. But here's the catch. Every day you delay, you're losing thousands of dollars. Welcome to the terrifying power and thrilling opportunity of compound interest. Wait, did you just zone out at the word interest? Let's fix that. Point 1. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the reason banks make billions, and why the wealthy stay wealthy. At its core, it's money earning more money. Imagine planting a tree. The fruit it grows, you sell that. Then plant more trees with the money you earned. Before long, you've got an orchard, while others are still stuck watering one seed. Or worse, still arguing on Reddit about whether avocado toast ruined their finances. So how fast can your orchard grow? That depends on the next part. Point 2. Time is your greatest asset. The most powerful variable in compound interest isn't how much money you start with, it's when you start. Let's say Emily starts investing at age 20 and stops at 30. Her friend Jake starts at 30 and invests the same amount annually until he's 60. By retirement, Emily often ends up with more. Why? Time. She gave her money time to grow itself. If you're under 30 and not investing, you're not behind, you're right on time. But blink, and you'll lose the edge forever. Point 3. The snowball effect. This is where things get addictive. The snowball effect of compounding means your gains begin to multiply exponentially. It starts slow, painfully slow, but patience pays in ways hard work alone can't match. It's not about grinding harder, it's about positioning smarter. Think of it like gym gains, except your dollars are lifting weights for you, without ever skipping leg day. So, how do you actually tap into this power in the real world? Point 4. Where to apply compound interest. You don't need a finance degree or $10,000 to start. Platforms like index funds, dividend stocks, and even certain crypto staking protocols use compounding. Tools like Acorns or Fidelity reinvest your gains automatically. Start with $100. That's one night of Uber Eats. Delay a craving today and fund your freedom tomorrow. Imagine checking your account in 5 years and seeing it doubled while you slept. That's not hype, that's math. Point 5. Common pitfalls to avoid. Here's where most people fail. They touch the money too early. Compound interest is fragile. You withdraw it, you break the chain. Impatience is expensive. Timing the market, even worse. The key is consistency over intensity. Keep feeding the snowball, even during storms. If you skip this part, you'll look back in 10 years wishing you just let it grow. The bigger game. Compound interest is just the first domino. Imagine combining it with passive income streams, money multiplying money on autopilot. What if I told you, I can now do some of that for you? If you're serious about building wealth in your 20s and beyond, don't stop here. Watch this next video. 5 AI tools that make you money while you sleep. Because compound interest is powerful, but when paired with automation, that's financial freedom supercharged. See you there.